Assalamualaikum students, hope so will be fine. Today we will start the revision of the next topic, that is layers of the soil. There's different layers of soil. The first one is topsoil, second subsoil, rock soil, and the deepest is bedrock. The outermost is topsoil, where most animals and plants live because it contains rotten or decaying of dead animals and plants. Basically that is known as humus. And the topsoil is the fertile soil of the earth. Due to the erosion or weathering, the rocks on the earth's surface or topsoil broken into pebbles, gravel and mud. The erosion or breakdown brings by wind, water and other mechanical forces. Means due to the temperature, the rocks broken down into pieces. The second is subsoil. Most of the nutrients present in the subsoil. It contains less humus as compared to the topsoil and minerals like iron. Basically, plant roots get water from subsoil. If you have ever visited a construction site, you must have seen deep holes there. If you look closely at the side walls of the holes, you can see that the soil is not the same from the bottom to the top. The soil on the earth is found in layers, found in 4 layers. At the top is topsoil. Below this is a layer or layer of subsoil. Below this are layer of solid rock. The deepest layer of rock are called bedrock. The topsoil is where most animals and plants, including soil organisms such as earthworms, fungi or fungi and bacteria live. The topsoil contains humus. Humus means dead or decaying animals or plant. All rocks on the surface of the earth get broken down to pebbles, gravel and mud. Water and wind bring about this change. The subsoil is where most of the soil's nutrients are found. It contains less humus and minerals like iron as compared to the topsoil. Deep plants' roots look for water in the subsoil. In fast-flowing rivers, rocks grind or broken down against each other and break into smaller pieces. Over a period of time, the pieces become smaller and turned into sand, mud and soil. The river carries this soil called sediment with them. It is then deposited on the river banks. Let's move on the next page. We will solve the concept check. Fill in the gaps using the words given in the box. Here are some words are given. By using these words, we will fill the given blanks. The first blank is the surface layer of the earth is called. The outermost layer of the earth is called topsoil, and it is the fertile part of the earth. Second, the layers under the surface are called, or beneath or below the topsoil is called subsoil. Under the layers of subsoil are layers of rock, and it is a third layer of the earth's surface. Wind and water break down rocks into pebbles, sand, gravel and mud. The last one, small animals improve the fertility of soil by moving through it because they aerate the soil or bring air between the soil particles. This introduces air into the soil. They also leave their waste in the soil. This puts nutrients into the soil. Now we will discuss the exercise question number 4 part 2. Name the layers of soil in the sequence in which they are present on land. The answer on page number 55. The soil on earth is found in layers that are topsoil, subsoil, rock soil, bedrock. These are the 4 layers of the soil. Okay students, hopes will understand. Thank you for listening.